Hello, so today we're going to be showing you guys how to install a wireless router into your ATM machine. The first thing you're going to do is open it up and power it off. After that, you're going to take your package which has your wireless router. This is the device itself. There's going to be a power supply with it. There's going to be some antennas and an Ethernet cable. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose one of the power supplies. If you have a lighted sign, you're going to choose the one that splits into two. And if you don't, you're going to take the singular one. Today we're using the singular one for the purposes of this video. It plugs into the power supply on the ATM and has it so you can plug in the power supply for your wireless router. After you plug in the wireless router power supplies, you're going to go to the Ethernet port and you're going to take your Ethernet cable that came in the box and connect it into the board, and then you're going to connect it to the wireless device. After that, you're going to take your antennas. You have two antennas and you're going to put them on top of the ATM machine. They are magnetic. After you put them on top of the ATM machine, you're going to pop out this little plastic piece in the back. It pops out and you're going to run your wires through there. You're just going to feed them through both wires for both of the antennas. After you have pulled them through and got them through neatly, you are going to wind them up and take a zip tie or some type of tie just to make everything nice and neat. And then after you do that, you are going to connect it to the wireless device. You're going to use the two on the right side that are close to each other, take off the red caps, and you are going to screw on the wireless antennas, and you just screw them on, doesn't matter the unit or anything. And then after that, you're going to take some Velcro and you're going to put one side onto the wireless device, and then you're going to peel off the adhesive on the other side and connect it to the ATM. The best way to do this is with the lights facing out so you can see if there's a wireless connection, and you're going to just stick it onto the side. After you have stuck it onto the side, you're going to plug in the power supply into the back of it, and it's going to blink red and green for a little bit, and that's fine for now. While you're waiting for it to come up and get a connection, you can tie everything together. You can get a zip tie and tie them up. When you open and close the ATM, there's nothing in the way. After you've done that, it should look pretty nice like this and neat, and the light should be green. And after that, you're all set. You can turn your ATM back on and you're good.